Hello, my name is Leah and this beautiful person is Christy Grosberg. We are very glad to introduce you probably the most tasty, sensual, feminine and inspiring project we ever had this year.
Alpha Magnum Royal Treatment. Challenge. Magnum is a premium class ice cream, finding it tough in the Latvian market. Magnum is relatively expensive. Additionally, it is not a local product in a market which prefers one's own foods and ice cream, a market where ice cream is an impulse purchase. Media interest in mass consumer products like ice cream is also very low. Consequently, the challenge was, how do we reach Magnum's main target group? Young, confident fashionistas with disposable income. How could they discover the worth of Magnum ice cream and the brand? How do we get the target group to see and feel Magnum as the most pleasurable ice cream and a sophisticated experience? So, communication needed to have additional value. Solution. To emotionally captivate the target group and present the story of Magnum, it was decided to implement a risque sponsorship campaign. To highlight Magnum's exquisite flavor, we established a partnership between Magnum and one of Latvia's best-known fashion brands, Amoral. Amoral is a desirable brand with corresponding values and a common target group with Magnum, so the cooperation was organic and a mutually beneficial synergy was developed. Magnum initiated and sponsored a new exclusive Amoral collection of attire named Magnum, which, in terms of color, mood, and values, embody the royal essence of Magnum ice cream. In addition, we carefully selected campaign ambassadors to be engaged, socially active public figures with interesting personalities, stylist Santa Bindeman, actress Dagda Danevica, and model Mara Kampernova. They are authorities for the target group, women who visually correspond to the properties of three great Magnum ice cream flavors, classic, almond, and white. Their task was to demonstrate the exclusive attire and to bring Magnum's value and messages to the public's attention. Behind-the-scenes pictures from a glamour photo shoot partly revealing the new collection were published in the campaign ambassadors and Amoral's social networks and used for teaser publicity. An exclusive Amoral for Magnum fashion show was organized in July, achieving heavy media representation. The campaign ambassadors presented Magnum loungewear to 200 society ladies and some 400 members of the general public. Pictures from a photo shoot of Magnum attire were used to announce the range to the campaign's target group via the fashion pages of monthly magazine Lilith. Extensive publicity with the Magnum ambassadors continued, maintaining media awareness of the Magnum Amoral attire through their personal experience. This was followed by the Amoral for Magnum collections going into production and being made available to every woman. Results. The collection of outfits, their fashion parade, and the campaign ambassadors who personify each Magnum flavor were the basis for a successful publicity campaign and social media buzz with the Magnum brand and ice cream in the starring role. This led to the doubling of Magnum sales during the campaign. Campaign events were attended by around 800 people, of whom 90% were from the specific target group. More than 80 media articles, including Magnum visual branding, awareness of Magnum, and Magnum products in media stories. Campaign news and publicity reached 80% of the target group, as well as 71% of all internet users and 6% of all print media readers. Wide resonance was achieved in social media and blogs. Magnum's Latvian sales increased by 51% in value during the period April to July compared with the same period last year.